What's going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Freedom Speech
and RS, and if you got any recommendations, make sure you leave it down
below.
Make sure you
like, comment, subscribe.
And yeah, man, what do you have?
Hey, we got Fly Low, Larry Hoover.
Let's go crazy, man.
Hey, shout out to all the people, man. Let's go. Woo, woo, woo. I had a little snippet of this of the preview on his Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
It sounded hard.
Alright, let's go crazy.
Let's go. What? Hey, hey. What?
Rewind. Oh, like the beat is coming through. It's just one of them ones. I know one of them ones.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Hey, shout out to Mike G on the productions, man. Hey, he's one of my favorite producers to react to his productions, man.
Oh, yeah?
He's hard. He's hard.
Alright, let's go crazy.
Let's go.
Like
You know we had to pull that one up, man. That one was for Larry Hoover, man.
Right.
Free Larry Hoover.
Freedom.
Hey. Hey.
Let's
Hey.
go.
Flalo, what you got for the people?
Hey, I feel like that's some Gucci man shit.
Hey, what? Huh? Huh?
What? Hey.
You know it'd be so hard, man. I hope Madhouse Records will put like subtitles for people who don't understand the, you know what I mean, the translations and stuff, innit?
Yeah.
I hope they start doing that soon, because a lot of other countries are doing that for us people who can't understand.
What's his name? You know, Fume's engineer. He must have said something about Rove, the Italian rapper. He said, bro, if they had subtitles on the music video, it would have been so helpful for other people to understand. You know what I mean? He said something like that, and I was like, yeah, 100%. He's saying some truth.
It's true though, because like people, we're just presuming, and then we think we catch something, and then
like it sounds like
that.
It sounds like that. Like it sounds.
But
lit,
it's really not.
But it's like no.
We're just guessing, basically.
And I'm trying to say it sounds lit, like what you guys are saying, but it's more of a thing where it's like I want to know what he's saying. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah, because the problem is like, you know, like when we do reactions, it's just like, yeah, we think it's really that, but it's really not.
Like we could be thinking and saying something like, oh, it could be it, but it's like it's like we.
It's a 50-50, isn't it?
It's like we have to guess what he's saying. You know
yeah.
What she's saying. You know what I mean? Right now he's talking about flexing and leaning. You know what I mean?
My guy Fly Low, man, you gotta keep off the lean shit, but my guy, keep off the lean, man, stick to the weed, you know what I mean? Hey. Hey. What?
Lena.
Hey. What? Hey.
Shopping showers.
You know what I like about this video so far? I like it how it's matching the stripped up club vibe, innit?
Oh yeah,
I like that, because certain people just, when you see directors, I'm like, why did you put it like that?
It matches the lyrics.
It matches the lyrics and the way he's going with the thing, innit? Whole club vibe. But definitely, you know what? We need a remix on this, man.
I could picture like
Gucci Man.
Gucci Man will be a definite.
We definitely need a Gucci Man.
I'm just hearing them say, what?
Oh, burr. You know what I mean? You can just hear certain people on this, but honestly, you can even hear Young Dolph, man, if you had like an extra verse. RP him, you know what I mean?
Young Dolph, man.
True, real true.
Πιάσε μου το χέρι, θα σε πάω στον παράδεισο. Ρίξε τα μαλλιά σου πίσω, να μοιάζεις ανάλογο. Κόκκινο τον ήχη βαμμένο, θυμίζει διάβολο. Βγάλαμε 200 κάπα, μπήκαμε μέσα στην πίσνα. Τώρα κάνουμε κουμάντα. Πάλι rappers μας ζηλεύουνε, τους πήραμε την τσάντα. Όσοι λέγανε δεν κάνω, τους κατούρισα στη μάπα. Φλέλω μες στο ρόβα, φλέλω μες στα κόλπα. Φλέλω σε γουστάρω, θέλω το παιδί σου τώρα. Σούζα μια ρόδα, Ιαπωνέζο σχόντα.
I like the flow.
It's his deliveries.
Talking about doing donuts.
Δάκρυσαν τα μάτια και πονέσαν τα σαγόνια. Δεν κοιτάω την ώρα, ζω μόνο το τώρα. Άμα κουνηθεί θα τον φορτώσει νεκροφόρα. Μίσησέ μ' αγάπησέ με, μα δεν δίνω μία. Το ρολόι μου σε τυφλώνει, ακτινοβολία. Δίνω μάνταλο το βράδυ μας στα αεροπορία. Αγγίξε με και θα πάθεις.
What do we say? What?
Πες τους μάγκες μου πελούδι.
Hey.
Φόρτες πάνω πεταλούδι.
What?
Δεν σε βλέπα
Larry Hoover.
Flavors.
Woo!
I think I'm Larry
Hoover. Hey.
When I hit you with my
Jeez. Yeah,
RP,
RP.
man.
Man, glitz, man. Condolences to his family and friends.
100%, man.
Hey, man, what do you think of that one, man?
It was a 10 out of 10, man. I just like the vibe to it, you know what I mean? Just the beat as well. Shout out to the producer. And I just like the way he was just flowing on the beat, and it just felt really jumpy. You know, this is some Gucci, man, like that old Gucci.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So that's the type of vibe I got from it, and it's a 10 out of 10, man.
Hey, 10 out of 10 for me, man. Just like he said, and also shout to Mike G on the production, man. But definitely, man, I can just hear this in the clubs, party settings. He made this really for the people to get lit and like flex to, you know what I mean? But yeah, man. But people, 10 out of 10. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Peace, love.